Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nanika Singh. I'm working as an assistant professor at Mahatma Gandhi State Institute of Public Administration. I'm back yet again with another video of mine, but yes, of course, today the theme is the same but almost with a different perspective. Today I'll be talking about my confidence formula. So let's go along with our confidence formula. C goes along for being compassionate. Now it's very important that we need to love and accept ourselves first before accepting others. So compassion is one of the most important virtues if you actually want to be successful in life. Then we go along with O. O means opportune. Opportune means that we need to actually focus on our opportunities and act upon them timely, because time is money. Then N is for being novel. Very important amidst the changing scenario today. We need to be very novel and original in our approach if we need to be accepted in the world. Because novelty is basically the essence of the true being of being successful today. F, forgiving. Very important that we need to be forgiving towards ourselves and towards others. As according to me, forgiveness is not just a virtue, but both forgiveness and gratitude are considered to be mothers of all other virtues. Then I, you need to be imaginative. Again, a very important essence to be successful. That because the only thing that is constant in today's world is change. And if you need to adjust amidst that change, you need to be imaginative and creative so that you can actually put that imagination and creativity into your dreams, which can actually become a reality. Then D is you need to be dedicated and determined. Yes, what is very important, it is just not about dreaming. It is not just about having your dreams and vision. You need to be determined and dedicated to achieve them also. Only then you will be successful in life. Then E stands for being empathetic. Very important. That if an individual is not sensitive towards himself or others, he or she can never be sensitive to the approach of another person. So being empathetic means putting yourself into the shoes of another person so that you can actually feel exactly what the other person feels and help them grow in life. As if you help an individual grow, you grow double-fold. Then we come to N, that is being noble. Very important. That keeping in mind the changing scenario and the traditions today, the morals and values are all getting swayed. So what you need to incorporate is achieving your goals through the essence of being noble. Noble, that is having your morals and values in the right perspective, making use of the best of them in whatever way you can. Then you come to C, that is being creative. Very important. Creativity again means somebody who can actually be original, who can be novel, who can be ingenuine in their approach. So novelty and creativity itself is the key to success, as that makes you a visionary. And what is of importance today is that what you can actually perceive yourself to be 10 years from now. Only then you remain in perspective of what you are. And the last, I would suggest, be encouraging. Encouraging not only to yourself but to every person around you. As when individuals grow, you grow. And the more you share, the more you encourage people, the more your knowledge increases, the more your wisdom increases, and the more you grow and the more people grow around you. So in other words, the more society grows in general, and so does your health, well-being and productivity. That's all for today, folks. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Facebook. You can also connect with me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 95010499190. You can also call me on my other number, which is 9952748738. So bye bye for now, and see you with the next video real soon. Catch you soon.